So, let's save us some honeybees then, Mark. So here we go. So inside here somewhere, there's a queen inside there, and these scouts are going out trying to find somewhere new to live. So before they go down someone's chimney, we shall try and take them away. Gently does it now, gently does it. There's a bloody thing inside there. Take one lot.
I'm backing away slowly. Okay.
Somehow I need to get these last few. That is some noise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we might have the queen in there. If you come up close now, you'll see some of them. Oh look, they're making a beeline, look.
Oh yeah.
But is that because the queen's on the side here? Are you the queen? So basically these guys here, like this one that's standing up like that and fanning backwards,
Alright.
that's because of the pheromone that the queen's giving out tells them all where to go. So if they can tell all these guys that the queen's in here, it would be rather good of them, to be honest. But obviously there's still a bit of pheromone on here,
Yeah.
from the queen. And if she's inside there, we've got a bit of a problem, haven't we? I'm looking a bit hopeful. It's looking a bit hopeful. So if we take that down there a bit. Have you got that tape there, Mark?
Yep.
You just try to... Yeah, no, it's not very nice noise, is it? Leave me alone. So, I think that's going to be a success, Mark. Like you can see, these little workers here, they're pumping the smell of the queen out. Hopefully, oh, what's happening here?
Yeah.
I'll pick them all up one by one, can I? They're all dangling down again. It's amazing, isn't it, how they do that?
Yeah.
Spotting the queen, because the only real difference is she's only an extra couple of millimetres long, really.
Yeah.
So what we might do is see if nature takes its course. We're going to do another job and then come back here
Okay.
and see what's happening. I made a little bit of a building here for the bees, but now we can see that quite a few of these bees off here are getting attracted down into the actual main swarm down there. Bless them. Really yellow guys. Girls, I should say. Come on. Right, we'll see them in half hour or so then, eh?
Oh.
Okay then, mate. So, looks like 99% of the bees are in the box now. So, they've had their chance. Back down. So, we get the tape bit. That's it then. So basically we're going to take these back now. Obviously we're going to make sure, because we're putting them inside the van with us, that it's all sealed up nicely. We don't want a few thousand bees in there with us, do we?
And where are we taking them to, Chris?
We're going to take her to our good friend Donna, where she's got one of our hives, Donna Burns. We can take her in this later. And we shall be rehoming them and see if we can get some honey out of these guys later in the year, eh?
Okay.
Okay, time to rehome our New bee colony then. Let's see. Oh, trying to escape already. Come on ladies, wait a minute. Be patient. Oh. And that needs to go on the top.
And why didn't I put my suit on? I'm backing away slowly.
They're a little bit feisty, these ones. And then the lid. I just felt like something stung me on the back. You have to paint it again now, Donna. Oh, is that the other way around? That's right, isn't it? Now, let's help these last few.
They'll just find their way, I think. So are you blocking it for the others?
Okay,
Bit of a row, wasn't it?
it's a bit all sorted.
Okay, job done.